Welcome back to my channel. This is Afsaa Nasir, and in today's video I am going to tell you how do I plan on reviving my old Etsy shop which currently has just one listing left out. Do watch this video till the end where I reveal the coupon code to get 70% off on all my products. I started my digital Etsy shop Afsaa Nasir Art on December 2022. Till today I have had around 125 listings and I have made 49 sales. So how do I plan on making my Etsy shop work in the year 2024? Well, I have a plan. I'm going to take a 365 days challenge where I plan to list minimum of 2 products per day. Today is July 17, 2024 and let us see if I'm able to make a living out of my digital Etsy shop until July 17, 2025. Here is the roadmap to revive my Etsy shop. First, I'm going to find my niche, which is basically tumbler wraps and canvas drag and drop custom frame. Second, I'm going to create 2 to 10 products per day. Third is to list these products on my Etsy shop. Fourth is to promote the products in social media like Instagram, Pinterest and Facebook. For now, I'm not going to use Etsy ads because it did not work for me previously. I will leave my social media handle links in the description below for you guys. Today is day 1 of my 365 days challenge. I have already created 6 products which I am going to make it active right now in front of you guys. As you guys can see, all my new listings are active. I'm also going to renew one of my expired listing which made around 12 sales. That's it. I'm done for today. As of now, I have 8 active listings. Okay, so now my goal for the first 30 days is to have at least 100 listings by August 17, 2024 and to make at least 5 sales. Hey Afsa, you forgot to reveal the coupon code. If you guys like my products and would like to get 70% off, then use the coupon code YouTube70. Thanks for watching this video. If you guys have any queries, do let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.